Why am I so tired? If you've ever asked that question while pouring your third cup of coffee before 10 a.m., welcome to the club. You're not lazy, you're not broken, but something's definitely off, and we're about to fix it. Let's break it down. If you're constantly tired, there are only a few possible explanations. You're not sleeping enough, you're not sleeping well, or your life is draining the soul out of you. Let's look at all three. First, quantity. Are you actually getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night? No, not scrolling in bed until 2 a.m. while a YouTube video plays in the background. We're talking real, restful, eyes-closed, body-healing sleep. If you're shortchanging your sleep, you're basically walking through life in airplane mode. Second, quality. Maybe you are in bed for 8 hours, but your brain is doing gymnastics all night. Snoring, stress, room temperature, blue light exposure, alcohol, or that sneaky 3 p.m. energy drink can wreck your deep sleep cycles. If you're waking up tired after sleeping 8 hours, something's disrupting your rest, not your clock. And third, energy leaks. Even if your sleep is on point, your body and brain can be exhausted for other reasons. Stress, debt, toxic relationships, crappy food, no exercise. If you're putting garbage in, expect low power out. Your body is not a trash can. Stop treating it like one. Now let's talk solutions. First, get serious about sleep hygiene. No screens an hour before bed, cool dark room. Magnesium or a hot shower can work wonders. And yes, go to bed earlier. You're not missing anything important on Instagram. Second, fix your fuel. Eat real food. Hydrate. Cut the processed junk. A bag of flaming hot Cheetos is not a breakfast, no matter how emotionally satisfying. Third, move your body. Even 15 minutes of walking can increase circulation, brain function, and energy. You don't need a gym membership. You need to stop sitting all day. Fourth, check your mindset. Mental exhaustion is real. Are you chasing things that matter or stuck in a loop that drains you? You might not be tired, you might be uninspired, and that's fixable too. Now, if you're still watching, your energy might already be improving because clarity is powerful. So let's keep this simple. Stop asking, why am I so tired? Start asking, am I sleeping enough? Am I feeding my body right? Am I moving? And am I doing what lights me up or just surviving? Tired doesn't have to be your default setting. Take control, change your habits, and watch your energy come back stronger than ever. Thanks for watching Dealmaker's Den. If you found value from this video, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.